Hello students, my name is Bhushan Deshmukh. Today we are going to learn about types of numbers. Right? There are different types of number. Let's understand one by one. The first one is natural number. Natural numbers. The counting numbers that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are called natural numbers. The set of natural number is denoted by capital N, and these number are written in curly bracket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. There are infinite number of natural numbers. Next type of number is whole number. Whole numbers. If we include 0 among counting numbers, then these numbers are called whole numbers. Right? As we have studied earlier, counting numbers, right? And if we include 0 to counting number, then we get whole numbers. Right? It means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Like, as there are infinite number of natural number, therefore whole numbers are also infinite. The set of whole number is written in curly bracket, right? That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and up to so on. Okay. Next type of number is integers. All counting numbers and their negatives including 0 are called integers, right? That is all counting numbers, right? What are counting numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, right? What are negatives of counting numbers? That is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and so on, including 0 and 0 are called integers, right? The set of integer is denoted by capital I, and it is written as as there are negative, infinite negative number, so it is written as dot 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 -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, and 1, 2, 3, up and so on. As there are in integer, there are two types of number, that is positive and negative. So these integers are also classified into two parts, that is positive integer and negative integer. Positive integers and negative integers. So what are positive integers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. What are negative integers? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and so on. Right? And here one point it is to be noted that 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay. Next type of number is rational number. Rational numbers. Any number that can be written in the form of P by Q is called rational numbers, right? Now, what is meant by P by Q? Here, P is called numerator and Q is called denominator. Here we should notice one point, that one important condition, that Q must not be equal to 0, right? Why? Because we never divided any number by 0, right? So remember this condition. Except 0, the value, you can take any value for Q, right? The example of rational number are 1/3, 5/2, 9/7, 1. Why 1? Because 1 can be represented in the form of P by Q, right? Similarly, 7, -3, -5, -7/2, right? These are the example of rational numbers. Now, next type of number is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. The numbers that cannot be written in the form of P by Q are called irrational numbers, right? Now, what are those numbers that cannot be represented in the form of P by Q? Those numbers are root 2, right? Because the value of root 2 is 1.414 and so on. These are non-recurring and non-terminating decimal number, right? This number that cannot be represented in the form of P by Q. Hence, this number are called as irrational number. Second example is root 3, pi, etc. These number are called as irrational numbers. Now, next type of number is real numbers. Real numbers. The rational number, rational numbers and irrational number combined together are called as real numbers. Right? Example of real numbers are 4, -3, 1/2, -5/7, √2, √3, pi, etc. As it is the set of rational number and irrational number. The combination of rational number and irrational number are called as real numbers, right? We can take another number as 4 plus √3, right? All these are the example of real numbers. Right? Now, next type of number is even numbers. The numbers which are exactly divisible by 2 are called as even numbers. Right? What can be the example of even numbers? 4, right? Because 4 is exactly divisible by 2, 2, 6, 8, 10, right? All these are the example of even numbers. Next type of number is odd numbers. The numbers which cannot be exactly divisible by 2 are called as odd numbers. Right? Example 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. Are these number are called as odd numbers. Next type of number is prime number. the numbers which are divisible by 1 and number itself are called as prime numbers. What the example for prime numbers are? 2, right? Because 2 is divisible by 1 and itself. It cannot be divisible by another number except 1 and itself, right? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. are the example of prime numbers. Next type of number is composite number. Composite numbers. The numbers greater than 1 and which are not prime number, which are not prime numbers are called as composite numbers, right? The example of composite numbers: 4, 6, 9, 15, 21, etc. All these numbers are called composite numbers. Next type of number is co-prime numbers. Two numbers which have only one as the common factor are called as co-prime numbers. Right? The example of co-prime numbers are 3, 5, right? As the 3 and 5 has the 1 as a common factor, right? 5, 7, 8, 9, 36, 25, right? Etc. These are the example of co-prime numbers. Now some important points. The important points is that first, the all numbers which we have studied, right? Those were natural number, whole numbers, integers, rational number, irrational number, are the subsets of real numbers, right? Second point, 2 is the only even prime number. Right. Third point is 1 is neither prime nor composite number. Fourth point, 0 is neither positive nor negative number. Okay, thank you friends.